Hey guys, so this day has already not been going as planned because I definitely did plan to wake up at like 10 a.m. and start studying for two final exams I have tomorrow back to back. And it is Sunday. I did study yesterday. I did a Zoom lesson for chemistry with my professor where we got to ask her questions, and then I did like quiz corrections for my bio class. And yes, they are two science classes that I have exams for back to back. And they're both 2 hours long. I am going to take the rest of the day to study. It is currently, you can't see it, 4:24. It's not gonna show. Okay, whatever. It's currently 4:24. And I have until like midnight to study because I want to sleep on time and wake up early so I do not miss my exam. So, yeah, that is what this vlog is going to be, a final exam study with me. And yeah, it is also Mother's Day when I am vlogging this, so happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. But let's just get going. So I'm in like a little study nook on my floor. Like I have my comforter on the ground and I'm just sitting on the floor doing all the studying. Also, my Magic keyboard came in from my iPad and I have been using it a ton since I got it. It works so well, the trackpad, everything. Like this keyboard is way better than the keyboard on my MacBook. But I just wanted to show you guys what I was just doing. I was taking notes on a PowerPoint slideshow. And this is how this teacher decided to do the remote learning. So instead of doing Zoom lessons where we go over the PowerPoint, he just did lecture recordings for the rest of the semester. And he just expects you to know like all of this information. So this might be the heaviest I have ever like written notes in like my PowerPoint. Because before I didn't even print out the PowerPoints. I just would, you know, write them in my notebook here, which is what I have in front of me. I just wanted to show you guys what I did yesterday. So I did all of my quiz corrections, like I wrote out all the right answers. So this is quiz 4, quiz 5 corrections, and then quiz 6 corrections. These are the other like 8 PowerPoints for this section that is going to be on the exam tomorrow, including the one I just re-listened to, and then including these other 3 sections of notes in here that I have to look over as well, because this is all going to be on the exam. So it's like in total 11 different PowerPoints that some are like 40 pages long, some are like 20 pages long, but just all this information is going to be compiled into one exam tomorrow. So this is the other PowerPoint that I have to finish my notes for. You can tell that I stopped because like half the page is gone, and I have it pulled up here. So this is that PowerPoint. I didn't finish it, so I'm just gonna go to the slide. Ooh, I'm messing up. I'm gonna go to the slide. I don't have 10 slides left to write, which is not a lot, but I just want to finish this on time. So yeah, so just to keep you guys updated, I have only started the studying for biology, and I still have to finish studying for chem, which is my first exam tomorrow. Alright, so I have officially been studying for a good 3-ish hours, I would say, and I've only been studying one subject. So, like I said, I went through these again, and these are just like the different PowerPoint slides. Then I also went through the notes that I had in my notebook for this section, and then I went through the quizzes again. There's like a few questions in the PowerPoints where he was like, this is a possible good exam question, and you should know the differences between this and that, or you should know what this word means. So I went ahead and searched up what all of those stuff means. I think I'm gonna run through biology for these last 45 minutes because it's 11:15 right now, and then at 12 o'clock I'm gonna switch gears into chemistry and do that for like 2-3 hours, and then try to be asleep or in bed at 3 a.m. because I need to wake up on time tomorrow. So that's the plan for now, because I'm tired of looking at biology. I've been doing it for so long. I just want to be done with it. So it is like 1:07 a.m. and I have officially made it to start studying chemistry. I'm also on the phone with a friend. I have like all of my old quizzes. I did not do well in all of these, I'll tell you guys that much. If you guys want a video on how this semester, or like how I feel about like Zoom University, any of that kind of stuff, if you want like a whole video of my thoughts at the end of my sophomore year, I will definitely do one, because it was a year. All right, these are all of like the packets that we have of like information. So our teacher made us print packets, and then like you literally follow along with the PowerPoint and you write in your notes. So that's how this class was conducted. I don't necessarily think these packets are effective, but I just did it because it was easier, I guess. But like I have a ton of these things to go through tonight. I may not go through all of these because we're doing practice questions right now. I'm on the phone with a friend actually studying this stuff. So I'm going to write in my notebook where it says final exam review, anything I don't know or need more information on. These are the notes from the final exam review Zoom session. This is like all of the questions that I asked or somebody else asked that I just wanted more information on for chemistry. And then there's also like more final exam reviews where I did a personal Zoom lesson of information that I needed more help with. So there's just a bunch of stuff to look over tonight, and that is what I'm going to spend my night doing. I'm probably going to do this, like I said, until 3 a.m. and then I'll be done. It is officially 2:39 in the morning, and I am going to bed because I just want to make sure that I wake up on time, and I just want to eat a nice breakfast and just ease my way into taking exams tomorrow. And then that will be the end of the vlog. I'm definitely gonna vlog tomorrow, obviously, but yeah. Hey guys, so I just finished my chem exam, literally like just submitted it a few minutes ago. I only got 2 multiple choice questions wrong out of like 16. So that's not terrible. And also I was able to do 1 out of the 4 bonus questions. Usually for her exams, I'm not even like finished and I can't even get to the bonus questions. So that's good for me that I was able to do at least 1 of the bonus questions. Honestly, for that entire exam, I don't feel too bad about it. There was like a few parts on the last question of the exam where I did not know if anything I was doing was correct, but I was just doing it because I had to put down an answer. So hopefully I just get partial credit there, but I generally overall don't feel too bad about how that just went. So I'm going to eat lunch or slash breakfast because I didn't get out of bed at 8:30. I just turned off the alarm and literally was praying that I passed today. So I'm gonna go make breakfast slash lunch before I take my next exam at 12:30. It's currently 11:50 right now. So I have like 40 minutes before the next exam. So for breakfast, I'm having some eggs, there's onions in there and some cheese, and then I'm just gonna make them into some sandwiches with these 2 buns. And then in here I have a chocolate peanut butter banana protein shake, and super good. I make this all the time. Hey guys, so I finished with my bio exam a while ago. It's actually like 5 p.m., 5:45, something like that. I finished the exam at 2:30. It wasn't too bad. I only got 2 multiple choice questions wrong once again, and then I have to wait to find out on how I did with the open-ended questions. Honestly, today wasn't as stressful as I thought it was going to be, which I'm super thankful for that. But I just wanted to make sure to come on and end the vlog for you guys. I only have 1 more final exam assignment to turn in, which is just my final paper for my writing course, which is due on Wednesday. So I'm not going to hold out the vlog until that long, but I just wanted to share my final exam study process for like my major exams and things like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe down below. Also leave me a comment to let me know what videos you want to see in the future. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.